Hello everyone, my name is Christian from the Dolphin Public Library and welcome to another paper craft video. And today we'll be making a dolphin paper craft. We're going to be making one of these today, and right now I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need to make one of this. Hey guys, so this is what we're going to need to make our dolphin craft. We're going to need our 4 pages. Here's our first, our second, our third, and our fourth. That's all the pages we're going to need. We're also going to need glue stick and scissors. So first thing we're going to do is going to take our scissors and we're going to cut out every piece from page 1. Alright? Hey guys, so this is what it looks like on the first page all cut out. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to fold each and every one of them, and I'll tell you guys what to do next. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like, all the first piece all folded. So first thing first, we're going to take our huge piece B01 and we're going to start putting all these guys glued together. All these guys close in. That's basically what we're going to do. Close each and every one of them. So as soon as we finish gluing all this, we're going to go ahead and start gluing the fins. Alright guys, so next is we're going to glue our we're going to make our fins together. So simple. This is fin R. So we're just going to glue it like this, go all the way around. Once we glued the whole thing, like this goes in here, all that, we're going to, for this, you're going to glue it here, and you're going to find fin R, which is on the other side of here, and that's where it's going to go. See how the arrow is going to go? So it's going to go like this, and it's going to glue to here, like that. That's going to be the exact same thing with fin I, or L, whatever you want to go with it. Glue it, make sure all of it closed down. You have the fin eye, and it goes here. Now after we glue our fins right into our dolphin, we're going to bring out our second page actually, and we're going to cut out we're going to cut out this piece B02, and we're going to cut this piece, the fin B. And then after that, I'll tell you guys what to do next. Hey guys, so this is what piece B02 and fin B look like when they're folded and cut out. After you guys done folding it, we're gonna start gluing B02. So obviously this is gonna close here, and these guys you're gonna push in like that, glue in. This is easy enough, just close it in. Same all these sides on the side. Then here as well, you close it in here. And you're wondering why this looks like that. So that's where the fin B looks gonna go. It's gonna go right here, covering this whole spot. Then you're gonna glue here as well, glue here and here, taking the outside here, and go in here. Same for this side as well. Then after we glue all of it together, we're gonna connect B, fin B into here, and after that we're gonna bring in this piece and we're gonna connect this right on top of it. Alright? Hey guys, so this is what it looks like. CO2 and fin B, I believe, to glued together. So I forgot to mention from right here below, these guys numbers here 3 and 4 are gonna be glued like that together, like that. Make sure you pressure it nice enough so they won't unstick, like that. And that's the same thing from in the beginning too. I just forgot to mention it. Then these numbers, make sure you glue them in order. So you start out with here, number 1 and 2. Then you glue into here, like that, and you make your way up. You got to do 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. Then just carefully glue it, then you close it like that. Then once you close it, all of it, after it's nice and closed, you can now start gluing this piece like that. Glue it together, and then you start getting your dolphin shape. Alright, after you've done that, you close all of it and then you glue these two pieces together. We're gonna go ahead and start making the mouth. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like when all of them are glued together. Layer inside here, glued. So next thing, like I said, we're gonna start with the mouth. So you're gonna take your 3 pieces here. You have these 3. So this piece here, it's gonna go on top where the eyes are, right here. And make sure this is glued to this piece here. So it looks like that. And then these front ones are closed in, good like that. And again, it's gonna be up here. That's this piece. These 2 pieces are gonna get glued together first. So this one, these are gonna get closed in like that, and then this piece is gonna glue to this piece like that. Then these guys are gonna go into here. They're all gonna be glued right into here, wrapped around. And once these guys are glued, they're gonna go right at the bottom of this, of the jaw of the dolphin. So it's gonna go like that. It's gonna cover all of that. Alright, so as soon as we finish gluing the mouth, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting out the tail fin. Hey guys, so here's what the mouth looks like. The bottom jaw and the top mouth, all glued. So we're gonna set this to the side for now, and we're gonna bring out the tail. So obviously, first things first, we're gonna start cutting all of it around, and after that we're gonna fold it, and I'll tell you guys what to do next. Hey guys, so here's what it looks like, all the pieces cut up and folded. So first thing first, we're gonna start with this piece. So it's simple, you're just gonna wrap all the way around, and then it's gonna fold. But remember, from right here, this piece, the BO5, it's gonna be on the left. So from where it's folded, from this piece, this is where it's going to be glued. Or if you want, before you even fold it, you can go ahead and start gluing it from here, like that. See, it's gonna be like that, and it's gonna be the same thing from this side, all the way around, but it's gonna be glued on this side. That's how it's gonna be, like that, all the way around, wrapped around. So go ahead and glue all these 3 together, and after that we're gonna go ahead and start doing the fins. Hey guys, so here's what the point of the tail looks like, glued like that. So now we're gonna go into the tail. Same thing as like the fins we've been doing. There, you just close it like that. Remember, this piece is gonna be glued through here, so it's gonna close. So yeah, it's gonna be like that, wrapped around, and it's gonna be like the one side of the tail. That's how it's gonna be. Same thing with this side. Make sure you fold it, and once you've done that, exact same thing, you're gonna glue every part of it so it looks like the exact same as the other one. Then after that, like that, it's glued all the way around, and it's glued. Then eventually it's gonna be glued like this, like that, and then this is gonna go right to here. Alright, but first, let's finish gluing the tail, and I'll tell you guys what to do next. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like. Here, both the tails are now glued. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue them together like that. Alright? So take your glue stick, and then you start gluing it. Doesn't matter which side, just glue it. Like that. You know, I might as well do the same thing this side. Like that. Then you glue it together. Then it's gonna be a little bit while, so it dries up. So as soon as that dries up, you're gonna bring back your dolphin. And you're gonna glue this piece into the body. So to find it, you're gonna find the part where you glued it, and that's gonna go underneath like that. Then you're gonna glue it into here, and it's gonna sit like that. Okay. Once that's done, when that's glued, you're gonna bring your tail. You're gonna glue to the sides, like to the sides. Hold on. So you're gonna glue this side and that side. Once that's done, you're going to put the tail right into the center. So make sure it's gonna end up looking like that. Like that. So that once you glued all of it together, we're gonna see what it looks like, and we're gonna start with our third page. Hey guys, so here's what our tail looks like. So our dolphin is now ready. So we're gonna set our dolphin to the side, and we're gonna bring out our final 2 pages. So we're gonna cut all of them out, then we're gonna fold them, and I'll tell you guys what to glue first. Hey guys, so here's the 2 final pages all cut out and folded. So you have DO1, DO2, DO3, DO4, DO5, and DO6. So first things first, you take your DO4 and then you place it flat on the ground. Put these out of the way. And then you have your DO1, which you could either have it this way or the other way, it doesn't matter. And you glue on into here. And then after that, actually, if you have a choice, you could either glue it into here, and you could move on to D2, which obviously is going to be on this side, glue all the way around. If you want, you could do this, glue into here first, or if you want to start out, you glue this first, make your way, you glue it all the way around, then you bring out your other one, same thing right here, into the other side. Just make sure it's curved. Alright, so let's do it that. So as soon as you finish gluing all this together, then goes into here, because eventually this is the bottom part of here. It's gonna glue into here, right on D4. Alright, so as soon as you glue all of it together, we're gonna go ahead and start with the final 2 pieces, DO5 and DO6. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when they go together. D4, DO4, DO1, DO2, and DO3. So now we're gonna bring in our DO5 and DO6. And you know how it's gonna go. You're just gonna find this side, and you just gotta put some glue, and you just stick it right on it. That's basically all you're doing. Same thing on the other side. So once you add your glue here, on the other side, you know what, let's do it together. Might as well. Add some glue. Add some glue here. Some at the bottom too, so even in the corner. Alright, this one is good to go. And then you're gonna make sure it fits like that. That's how it's gonna go, like that. Now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. We're gonna give it a few glue, keep going right into the end. Once you think it's ready, enough glue, then you can go ahead, switch it around, switch this around, and go ahead, add some good pressure, like that. And there you go. Now we've finished the base. Now just bring on your dolphin. Then you could just put it right here. And there you go. Yeah, let me put this out here. And that's us then. And today, that is our dolphin craft. Thank you for coming by. Hope you enjoyed making this dolphin paper craft. And until the next paper craft, I'll see you then.